afternoon and welcome to the Voices Foundation's virtual singing assembly. I'm Tori Longdon and we're here with you every single weekday at 1 p.m. for 10 to 15 minutes of fun, exciting and uplifting singing. You can join us from wherever you are in the country or wherever you are in the world, whether you're with your mum and dad or your brothers and sisters or whether you're just on your own. Welcome to join in all of our fun singing activities. We've got some great songs planned for you today, so we're going to jump right in and get warming up our voices. So, like we do every single time we sing together, we're going to start with a really good stretch, right up in the air and around to the sides. Draw that big circle with your arms, right round, down to the bottom. And let's go back again, have a big old stretch, all right round. Oh, and copy me. Going to try and catch you out. Let's warm up our legs right down to the bottom. Warm up your toes, hello toes. All the way up to the top again. Warm up our tummies. Let's go down one arm and warm up that arm. And the other side. And the other arm. And warm up our backs. And the backs of our necks. And back to the tummies. And still copying me. Well done, good stuff. So, after me, my turn first this time. So wait until you see what I do. Your turn. And again. Well done, great. So now we're going to add the names of the body parts that we're tapping. So we've got chest, chest, knee and toe. And it goes chest, chest, knee, toe. Chest, chest, knee. Again, chest, chest, knee, toe. Well done. And the last bit, head, head, chest, chest, knee, shin, toe. Head, head, chest, chest, knee, shin, toe. Well done, good job. There's a little melody that goes with this that helps us to start warming up our voices. And it goes, chest, chest, knee, toe, chest, chest, knee, toe, head, head, chest, chest, knee, shin, toe. So let's break that down and do it one phrase at a time. Firstly, my turn first. Chest, chest, knee, toe. Chest. Well done. Chest, chest, knee, toe. Chest, chest. And again. Head, head, chest, chest, knee, shin, toe. Chest, chest, knee, shin, toe. Well done. Let's see if we can do it a little bit faster. This time we're going to do it at the same time, so see if you can keep up with me. We're going to start here. Ready, off we go. Chest, chest, knee, toe, chest, chest, knee, toe, head, head, chest, chest, knee, shin, toe. Did you keep up? Well, you've got to get faster because we're going to go up another note and a little bit faster again. Starting here, ready, off we go. Chest, chest, knee, toe, chest, chest, knee, toe, head, head, chest, chest, knee, shin, toe. One more time and a little bit faster. Chest, chest, knee, toe, chest, chest, knee, toe, head, head, chest, chest, knee, shin, toe. Well done, good job. Did you keep up? I'm sure you did. So this time we're going to take out the word knee. All right, we're going to still start here. But we're going to miss out the word knee. Ready, off we go. Chest, chest, toe, chest, chest, toe, head, head, chest, chest, shin, toe. How many of you said knee? Let's see if we can go up one more note and miss out the word knee again. So we're going to start here. Ready, off we go. Chest, chest, toe, chest, chest, toe, head, head, chest, chest, shin, toe. How did it go? Well, I hope it was really good. Let's have another warm up. Shake some water off your hands. And we're all going to be drum kits today. So we're going to start with a boom, 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 boom. Well done, great. And now we're going to be motorbikes. So get onto your motorbike. We're going to grab hold of the handles and we're going to go. Your turn. Great. Imagine you're going over a big hill on your motorbike. And over some really, really little hills, but very high up. Well done, fabulous. All right, so when I saw you yesterday, we started learning a song called Chicken Tikka. Now, if you weren't here yesterday, don't worry because I'm going to go through it again. It goes like this. Chicken tikka, mango chutney and a Coca-Cola. Chicken tikka, mango chutney and a Coca-Cola. Chicken tikka, mango chutney and a Coca-Cola. Naan and pilau rice, yum yum. Good fun. It really made me want a curry, I've got to say. We've got some actions to put with it. It goes chicken tikka, mango chutney and a Coca-Cola. So you're eating your curry very, very fast and washing it down with a Coca-Cola. And then when you get to naan and pilau rice, yum yum. Okay, let's try it. Ready, off we go. Chicken tikka, mango chutney and a Coca-Cola. Chicken tikka, mango chutney and a Coca-Cola. Chicken tikka, mango chutney and a Coca-Cola. Naan and pilau rice, yum yum. One more time and a little bit higher. Chicken tikka, mango chutney and a Coca-Cola. Chicken tikka, mango chutney and a Coca-Cola. Chicken tikka, mango chutney and a Coca-Cola. Naan and pilau rice, yum yum. One more time and a little bit faster. Chicken tikka, mango chutney and a Coca-Cola. Chicken tikka, mango chutney and a Coca-Cola. Chicken tikka, mango chutney and a Coca-Cola. One more pilau rice, yum yum. Well done, everybody. Fantastic work. Now we're going to learn a new song called Little Liza Jane. And this is great fun with the weekend coming up because it's got a clap hand game which you can play with your mum and dad or your brothers and sisters or anybody else that you find lying around the house. And it goes like this. I know a girl that you don't know, little Liza Jane, way down south in Baltimore, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Okay, so we've got 4 phrases and the first 2 have the same melody but different words. I know a girl that you don't know, little Liza Jane. I know a girl that you don't know, little Liza Jane. Way down south in Baltimore, little Liza Jane. Way down south in Baltimore, little Liza Jane. Great. Now, where's Baltimore? Baltimore is in the United States of America. Okay, so way down south, in South of America, in Baltimore. I know a girl that you don't know, little Liza Jane. I know a girl that you don't know, little Liza Jane. Way down south in Baltimore, little Liza Jane. Way down south in Baltimore, little Liza Jane. Well done. So you can see at the end, that melody just changes very slightly. Little Liza Jane, little Liza Jane. Well done. And then we go up to the top. Oh, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Well done, everybody. Okay, now let's look at what we can do with our hands. Now, I'm going to imagine that I've got a friend with me today, but you might not have to imagine if there's someone here who can do this with you. It starts, I know a girl that you don't know. Very easy. Let's just try that together. Ready, off we go. I know a girl that you don't know. Nice and easy. And this is the complicated bit. You do a clap, chest, chest, clap, chest, chest, clap. So basically it moves around in a circle. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And it looks like this. Bit that we've already done. I know a girl that you don't know, little Liza Jane. Now this takes a little bit of getting used to, but it's very satisfying once you've got on top of it. And then you do it again. Way down south in Baltimore, little Liza Jane. The little trick to remember here when you're learning this clap rhythm, you can wind the video back and watch it again if you want to practice it more, is once you've finished your little circle, little Liza Jane, you then have to do another clap to get you back into the clap hand game. Way down south in Baltimore, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Did you notice the times I had to clap twice to get back into the rhythm? Okay, let's have a go at singing through it all together. Starts with, I know a girl that you don't know. Ready, oh, ready, off we go. I know a girl that you don't know, little Liza Jane. Way down south in Baltimore, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Well done. Let's try that again. We're going to go a little bit higher and a little bit faster. Ready, off we go. I know a girl that you don't know, little Liza Jane. Way down south in Baltimore, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. A little bit higher and off we go. I know a girl that you don't know, little Liza Jane. Way down south in Baltimore, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Well done, everybody. Fantastic work. Now that you've learned that clap hand game, go and find somebody else in your house and teach it to them and see if they'll play with you. Well done, everybody. That was lovely singing, and that's all we've got time for in today's singing assembly. So join us again at the same time tomorrow, where you'll have Dr. Charles McDougall joining you for some fantastic singing. Keep practicing those songs, and we'll see you again tomorrow for our next virtual singing assembly. Bye, everybody.